Hey guys, thank you for joining us today. Something I've been wanting to do for a while, I just haven't had the time to do it or the opportunity. See, I've been coming across this gentleman that I've seen who mows his yard, and he collects the clippings from the grass in his back, and he's got the little clipper catcher and he dumps it in his yard. I've never seemed to come across him at the right time until just the other day. So I saw him dumping the clippings out, and I said, hey, are you using those clippings for anything? And he said, no, help yourself. So we're gonna go pick those up today. We're gonna use them as bedding for our pigs, but also we can use them in our compost bin to help with the dry brown material for compost. So we're gonna go pick that up here in just a little bit and show you how we go about that process. So stay tuned. All right, so we're out here. We've got a hookup with some free grass clippings. We're gonna use this and put it in our compost bins and also in our pig pen to help them out. So free grass clippings. This was just laying on the side, checked with the owner and said, help yourself. So we're gonna take it and help it to make us some compost and mulch and things like that down the line, so it's nice dry material. And there you go, just a free, easy way. All you gotta do is ask, and most people were like, yeah, take them. So there you go. Looks like a body bag, but it is free grass clippings. Oh my gosh, the stink bugs are back. Easy.
They don't care.
Look at her. Look. Oh, I think she's eating it. That's funny. She's like wallowing in it. Oh, y'all's tails are wiggling.
Look, just leave a pile and they can. They'll spread it out.
Yeah.
That's funny. Give me something to do.
Is this back on?
No.
Can you do it real quick so they don't bolt out? That's funny. Well, there is your free grass clippings. Let the pigs spread it around, I guess. There you go. Well, there's a free way of getting livestock bedding, mulch for your compost bins. All you gotta do is ask. look for lawn care businesses. Sometimes they just have a spot where they dump. Public Works, they do that as well. So now the pigs can wallow in it and have fun and spread it around, and helps to keep the odor down in their pig pen. There you go. So we came across this tip that pumpkins are really good for pigs. The pumpkin seeds act as a natural dewormer. Well, as you can hear, it's a work day today. The wood chipper that my wife repaired and fixed is working, and my son is down there helping her get all that brush that's cleared down by the pigs. Thank you guys for joining us today. Busy day, all about compost, mulch, livestock bedding, and hopefully you guys got some tips and information from it. But we thank you for joining us again today. We'll see you on the next video.